Constructing a building is a big task. This requires extensive research, knowledge, time, investment, and most important, your involvement. Hi, I am Amardeep from Saluja Contracts, and today I'll be sharing with you 5 key points on choosing a good contractor. So, point number 1, check your contractor's credentials, verify their past performance, what he has done. A verified professional having a good happy customers in the past is a big plus. This gives you great results and you will be tension free during the construction period. Point number 2, vision over price. Having a good budget in mind is a good thing. It's very important, but you know what smart people do? They select a team that resonates with them, their ideas, understand their specifications, and most important, communicates professionally. If this means spending some more time or stretching your budget a little, trust me, this will be a smart move for you. Point number 3 is quality work experience. Every client has a different taste and choices when it comes to getting their space built. But most important is, does your contractor has a good repo in the market? Will he be able to deliver the quality products you are looking for? Look into his portfolio, make sure he has done some credible works. A trustworthy contractor ensures that the work is carried out in the interest of the customer and leaves no scope of doubt and disparity. Point number 4, know your contracts well. Once you have shortlisted your contractor based on discussed factors, now you need to tell them your concerns, your worries, your doubts, your needs. As an owner, never shy off from them. Explain them what you want. A well-read, well-written, well-understood legal contract is a gold dust. It will make your life easy and contractor's life easy too. Point number 5, have ideas but be flexible. If it's your building, you are the owner, more you get involved, the better it is. But with smartphones, you have no shortage of ideas. There are moments when your ideas look very good on paper, but executing them is a head-breaking task. Take your contractor's advice, tweak your ideas a little, and create some win-win situations so you get a good product, what you want, but also the execution should be smooth. Now, that's your selection process has been made easier. Let's once again review it. Starting from the top, you must check your contractor's credentials. He should have a happy customers on the list. Point number 2, you should have a budget, but do not only decide on the budget, understand the specifications. Point number 3, check contractor's background. He should have some good experience. Point number 4, never forget to have a written contract. Understand your contracts. The last one, be flexible with your ideas and understand the constraints of execution. I hope you will be able to finalize a professional contractor who is best suited for you. And if you got some value from this video, please share this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.